When we look at the stars in the night sky, all we can see are pinpoints of light. Apart from some colour variation, they all look a similar tiny size. The sun, on the other hand, looks large and imposing, but to paraphrase Father Ted, the sun is relatively small, but close, whereas some of the stars are far more massive, but further away. As discussed in a previous video, Orion is one of the main winter constellations, and when we look in that area of the sky, we are looking at some fantastically huge stars. It can be difficult to grasp the size of these monstrous bodies, so let's create a usable scale and climb up it, one star at a time. Now, to kick us off and create the scale, we must first look at a planet, our planet, Earth. The Earth is 12,742 kilometres in diameter, which makes it a very big lump of rock. So let's say we create a new scaled-down universe, and in this universe, the Earth is the size of a common garden pea. So how big would some of the other stellar bodies be compared to a pea-sized Earth? How about Jupiter? Well, the largest planet in the solar system is 139,882 kilometres in diameter, which in our scaled-down universe makes it about the size of a grapefruit compared to our pea. So it's a pretty big planet. And our Sun? Well, our star is 1,391,400 kilometres in diameter. If you were to take all the planets in the solar system and combine them into one megaplanet, it would be about 1% of the size of the Sun. In our scaled-down universe, the Sun would be a little over a metre wide, about the height of a 4 or 5-year-old. Imagine a 5-year-old stepping on a pea. He wouldn't even notice. Right, now that we have established our new scale, let's look at some of the stars in the neighbourhood of Orion. Ceres, which is in the constellation of Canis Major, the Great Dog, and is the brightest star in the sky after our Sun, is 2 million kilometres in diameter. In our scaled-down universe, it would be about 1.5 metres wide or tall, about the height of an average 12-year-old. You might say it is the older brother of our Sun, and we are only getting started. To the left of Orion is Aldebaran, in the constellation of Taurus. This giant of a star is 62 million kilometres in diameter. Even in our scaled-down universe, this is big, about 49 metres high, which means it would tower over London's Tower Bridge. About 30 million of our suns would fit into Aldebaran if it was hollowed out. But if you think that's big, then consider the red giant of Orion, Betelgeuse. This gargantuan star is 1.5 billion kilometres in diameter. This large red swollen beast is near the end of its life. We have to zoom way out to fit this into our scaled-down universe. Here it is still an impressive 1.2 kilometres in diameter, making it taller than Carrán Túil, Ireland's tallest mountain. And remember, this Sun is a mountain where our entire planet is the size of a pea. So the next time you are looking up toward Orion and its neighbouring constellations, remember, they are more than just pins of light that you are looking at.